How to send money from Canada to the Philippines using XE Money Transfer to GCash. Download and install the XE Money Transfer app. Open the XE Money Transfer app. Choose if you like to allow notifications or not. Select your country and language, and then click Continue. On this page, we can see the exchange rates for every currency. Just type the amount you'd like to send here. Change this to the country where you will send the money to see the conversion happen in this box. You can also add different currencies here. This conversion is based on the exchange rate below each currency. Click Send down here. Select to what country you'd like to send the money. Select the Philippines so we can select GCash later. For the delivery options, select Mobile Wallet. Click Continue. Type the amount you'd like to send here and you will see the conversion happen in real time in this box. So let's change this to $100. Click here to choose where your funds will be coming from. I just select a debit card for this tutorial. And this option below should be Mobile Wallet. Let us check additional fees here, which are typically very low. And delivery time is almost immediate. Double check the total amount you must pay and click Get Started button to proceed. Click Login if you already have an account or click Register to create your account first. Choose the account that fits you. I'll select Personal Account. Enter your email and your password. Click here to agree to the terms and service and click Continue. Type the 6-digit verification code you received on your mobile number or email. For me, XE has sent a verification code in my email. Just type it here and click Continue. We can subscribe to the newsletter here, but I'll click Not Now. We have completed the registration. Click the Get Started button again and log in using your account. Type your email and password and click the Sign In button. Select the country where you live and type your address here. And then click Continue. I'll click Not Now for notifications. We can see the amount we entered before. If the conversion is okay, click Continue to proceed to the next step. Create your recipient here. Type their name and their city. Click Continue. Select a reason for transfer. Click Continue here again. Click GCash here. Type your mobile number without the leading zero. Click Continue. Select how you'd like to fund your money transfer. I select debit card here. Type your card details here and click Continue. Complete the other steps if necessary to complete your money transfer. And that's how you send money to the Philippines with XE Money Transfer. Thank you for watching!